Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to show you one of the replacement parts. This door rollers, the axles. We have a different shape and diameters for this central. Let me get the measurements first. For this door centers, they are about like 5 inches. They can price the door to make a shape on it. So I will show you in the video to how to replace it and exchange it. So we can take a look closer. And after we've seen this, we have two screws at the front. You also need to twist it and to release it too. So we'll pick up this first covers. And we can just push this place to release this handle. The other side do the same things. We will see the center of the door rollers. It's right here. So we just push down and simply to remove it. And we will put the replacement door axles inside. Push down and push back. They have two security lockers right here. So we need to bend it up. The other side do the same things. After we secure it, we need to check it and freeze it to making sure it's tight enough. The other side do the same things. So after we replace it, this is finished.